What's good YouTube, Ben here, welcome to the next video on the channel. In this one I'm going to show you how to change your Xbox dashboard background to any image you want. Let's get into this. Hey guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe please, because they really do help me to get found. Don't forget to turn on notifications to be notified of all uploads and live streams, and don't forget to join me on my socials. Those are all linked down below. Okay, let's get in. Alright, so apparently there is a way to do this with controller. I've never gotten it to work personally, so we're going to be using a USB mouse. So what we're going to do on the Xbox is we're going to go to Microsoft Edge, and it wants to load, thank you. And once you go to the Edge browser inside your Xbox, what you want to do is you want to navigate to Google, or wherever the image is that you're going to be drawing from. In my case, it'll be Google. Not now, except let's just get rid of all this stuff. And we're going to go to Google. Oh, perfect. There we go. And then get to images. Now, apparently with the controller, there's a way to right-click. I have never gotten it to work. So what I'm going to quickly do is quickly unplug my mouse from my PC. And we're going to go over to the Xbox, plop its USB into its slot. And then now I'm controlling with my mouse. So, no, don't switch. So within Google Images, you want to type in the image you want. So let's go with, I don't know, space wallpaper. So space wallpaper. Oh, space walk. What on earth? Stupid Xbox. Alright, space wallpaper. So let's find one we like. Oh, that one looks nice actually. So we'll click that one. So once you're on the image with your mouse, just right click on it and hit set as background. So now if you go back to your Xbox, background set. So we'll just wait for that to go back to home. And voila, that's our new Xbox background. So you can do this with pretty much any image you want. It's actually really nifty. If you want to see more like this, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified of all uploads and live streams, because I do upload daily and I live stream most days. Whenever I go live, I either go live here on YouTube or on Twitch. Don't forget to follow on both platforms to be notified on both when I go live. Don't forget you can also join my other socials like Discord down below. And don't forget you can also support the channel further from as little as 99 pence per month here in the UK, or about $1.30 in America. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.